Hey, welcome back to CGR. So today I am going to be doing an unboxing on a product I've been meaning to get my hands on. This is for anybody that is valid concealed carry and you're looking for probably the best vehicle safe out there. This is the StopBox Strike. Now, the reason I ended up finding them was through a Facebook post. And what really caught my attention is that there's no other safe like this in the market anywhere. And I've looked up safes for vehicle and just a special way how it is. It literally requires no batteries, no electronics. That's actually their slogan. They want no batteries, no electronics. So this has to be plugged in nowhere. It is on the high end, but I was not going to purchase it at first. This is $2.99. I do have one from Hornady, and I am going to show a comparison of this to that one. And they're about the same price. And the other one has RFID tags, a password. You could get a bracelet to put on your hand and you just put it, it'll pop open. It's got an LED light. It's all fine and dandy, but I'm going to show you why this is 10 times way better than that. This video is not sponsored. I did try to get them to send me one out, and unfortunately I was not able to get through to them. But let me show you what you get when you order a StopBox Strike. So it comes exactly in this white box. So as you can see, you got your logo, QR code if you wanted to see a video how to install it. Nice little manual on instructions. Tells you the maximum size of a pistol you can have. And as you can see, this goes like on a console. Right next to your console, in between the wedge of your seat. That's it. It's just wedged in there. I know you're saying it's wedged in there, but they could steal it. Comes with a cable, your two keys to obviously lock it. And now for the main point. So this is how the unit looks. So it comes locked already. Basically, your knee bumps that and it's gonna shoot up. So I'll take my set of keys out of here. And like I said, you got your cable, which I am gonna tie under the seat. I'll come through here, and here, which I'll show a separate install video. Which will probably be the easiest install video I'll have. Your sets of keys. Now, let me just open this. So, it's open right now. So, pretend I'm in the vehicle right now. And I bump my knee. Sorry, I have to hold it. See how that shoots up? Your pistol goes mounted in here. And you would have access to bring it right out. And to bring it back down, like I said, this little lever comes back out. Sorry, you need a good amount of pressure because, once again, I don't have this mounted in the vehicle at the current moment. There you go. So it's just holding this back. That's it. Bump it. Hold this all the way back. Back down. Actually, you'll hear a click. You heard that? That's it. You grab your key, leaving out your vehicle, you leave your handgun in there. Nothing. Now on my center console, like right in this area, I have something, which is what I'll be doing. I'll be just unlocking it when I get in the key. Take like a second, put it down, tap the knee. Handgun goes here. Push this back. Hear it? Simple. This is probably the simple and best safe I've ever found in the market. I have not seen any safe like this. At this moment, I actually dare anybody to find a best vehicle like handgun safe with the design that this does. You're not gonna find it. Like, look at this. This thing comes already in one unit. This just goes wedged in between your seat. This sits on your seat. Knee just slaps that, opens up. Lock it up. And basically when you open it up, it's gonna look exactly like that. Now, if you like this video, make sure you check it out. I am gonna do an install on it. I'm gonna put it on my 2019 Dodge Durango. And I'm gonna put my Glock 19 Gen 4 in it. Now, the only bad part that I know for sure is anybody that has an optic, like any red dot, it's not gonna sit. It would probably have to be a smaller handgun. But as you can see, because let me open this. I don't remember if I had this open. Oh, I locked it back up. Oh no, my bad. I actually locked it. So right now it's spring activated. So I'm gonna bring it up slowly. There you go. So your handgun actually, so this pushes down, you could sit your handgun on it. So the optics would get in the way right here, and it won't fit. Right? Perfect. This is perfect for if you're carrying a handgun and you can't take it into a certain area. You want to leave it in your car. And sometimes, yeah, you could buy a $20 safe that you could just put the handgun in and then you're putting it under the seat. But then remember, you got to get in your vehicle, take it under the seat, open it, holster it back. Or you could enjoy the whole car ride and you have it like that. And you just bump your knee and it's literally going to come up like this. I honestly rather do this. Yes, it is $299. Yes. Do I recommend it? 100%. I haven't even installed it on the vehicle, but just by seeing the design, like they probably have a unique patent on this because there is not one other vehicle safe. I've only found 2 vehicle safes that could be mounted as in specifically this design. Yeah, you could go buy a $20 magnet. A $20 magnet, you're gonna have to leave the gun right there, visible for anybody to see. This is pretty slick. It's nice and black. It's gonna hang low by your seat, harder to see. And the design of that, I've never seen it anywhere. No batteries. No, you don't have to plug it into a cigarette lighter. You have to do nothing. You literally just install it. You could remove it and put it on another vehicle. Fast, easy, simple. You cannot beat this. Like, I didn't even want to order this because of the price, but I looked for other handgun safes for a car with quick access to them, and you cannot find them. I am telling you right now. The only other handgun safe that I am going to do a comparison video with this one and the handgun safe, I have a Hornady. I think it's a rapid vehicle. I am going to show you that design. It is so horrible, the design that they did. I cannot believe they did that. Like, it's great tech-wise, but it is nothing like this. Nothing. And like I said, if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe, because I am going to do a comparison of this compared to the Hornady one that I have that cost me $270 that I cannot even use anymore. And I'm going to show you why. Yes, the other one has so many features, but I'm going to show you why this blows it out the park. Blows it out the park. So, for the $299, I think it's worth it. I think it's priced at that mark because there's nothing else like it. Unfortunately, there isn't. If you don't believe me, look it up. You're not gonna find nothing but gun magnets that go under your dash. Just simple stuff like that. So, like I said, guys, be on the lookout. I am gonna do an install video on this, and I am gonna do a comparison video of this, comparing the other handgun safe that I have from Hornady. So they're both vehicle safe. They both go on a console like this, and I'm going to show you why this blows it out the park with no electronics. So this is what you get when you order it. This is a StopBox Strike. I like it. I recommend it. I'm going to show you guys the install, the comparison, and I'm going to show you why you should spend $299 on it, unfortunately, because there's nothing like it. So, unfortunately, with unique products, we have to pay the price, because right now they're in a market where they have no competitors. I have not seen nothing like this. This is awesome. So, with that being said, guys, I'll catch you guys on the next one.